Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can hide bookmark bar in Google Chrome. So what you want to do is just right click or go right top corner, and then you're going to select bookmarks here, and you can like show bookmarks bar. And yeah, oh my god, it's showing here. Yeah, simple click here and unhide it. But it's always going to be here, right? In this, like the first tab is going to be there, but when you go on programs, you can easily hide it. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.